thanks to all of you who wowed us with your JDM builds. Thanks again to Dan and his Chop Shop for being our guest horseman. For October, we have 2 community builds. October 18th is our annual Paint It Pink build to help raise awareness for breast cancer research, and we welcome Mike Espo as our guest horseman. And on October 31st, our theme is Oktoberfest, and we're looking forward to Daryl from Beard Does Diecast being our guest horseman.
Remember, 4 Horsemen builds are open to everyone. You don't have to have a social media platform to participate. Just send a high-quality, widescreen glamour shot of your build to 4horsemendiecast@gmail.com to be included in our recap videos. We need those by the build due date. If you are uploading, be sure to use hashtag 4horsemendiecast so we can all find your stuff.
To recognize those talented builders who participate in 4 Horsemen builds regularly, we developed the Horseshoe Awards. A horseshoe is earned based on the number of builds someone participates in dating back to January 2023. You get a bronze horseshoe after participating in 6 builds. Silver horseshoes go to those who have completed 12 builds. Gold horseshoes are earned after participating in 24 builds. Platinum horseshoes go to those who have completed 36 builds. And diamond horseshoes are awarded to builders who have participated in 48 4 Horsemen Diecast community builds.
We would love to see your builds in next month's challenge. Check out the schedule for the 4 Horsemen at 4 Horsemen Diecast on YouTube. There was a lot of great builds today, and we thank everybody that participated. Thank you, and cheers.